Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to draw Donkey Kong from the Super Mario Bros. Movie. Let's get into it. Alright, so I got my sketch here, so now I'm going to trace over it with marker to show you how I drew Donkey Kong. So I'm going to start with his face, so here's his nose, and now I'm going to do his cheeks and chin. And then I'm going to go on to his mouth. So his top row of teeth are facing you as you'd normally think teeth would look, but the bottom row of teeth, you see the top of them. So that's a little tricky. And then here's his brow. And his two eyes. If there are any other characters you want me to draw, whether it's from the Mario movie or not, leave me a comment. So now I'm going to start working on his fur, but since it's fur, instead of just drawing lines, I'm going to draw lots of little lines. So I'm going to do his little hairstyle he's got on the top with the tuft of hair kind of coming forward. And now I'm going to do his tie. You can see some of the tie on each side of his head. And then here's his shoulder. This arm is being held up and his hand is in a fist, and his other fist is on the ground. And here's his hand. Here's his other shoulder. And here's his hand on the ground. I'm just going to add some wrinkles. And his fur stops at his chest. And now I'm going to start to work on his legs. If you want to see me draw any more Nintendo characters, make sure to check out this video here, where I show you how to draw Kirby with one of his copy abilities. And here I'm drawing his feet. His other foot looks like it only has 4 toes, but that's just because one of them is behind another toe. And now I'm just going to add the DK logo on his tie with a yellow marker. So it's just the letters DK in that classic font with an outline around it. And a little bit of an outline inside the D there. And there you have it. That's how you draw Donkey Kong from the Super Mario Bros. Movie. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. See you in my next video.